Hey guys, welcome back to the Magic Show. Today I've got a friend with me today. This is Aiden.
Hello.
We've been friends for quite a while. Today we're doing an unboxing video of a coffee maker. This is my dad's, it's not mine, although I do drink coffee. Here's what it looks like. It's pretty tall, so I had to lay it down so we could all be in the frame. Let's get started. Let's see, we'll lay it down this way, I think. And then that way. Alright, start. This is hard. There we go, that's good, that's good. I think I can get it out from here. Okay, sit back down, sit back down. You might not be in the camera.
This is harder than making Jimmy stop running.
Yeah, this is harder than making Jimmy stop running, that's what he said. I like it, I agree. The other thing I don't agree to is getting this thing out of the box.
Brute force.
Yeah! Oh, good job. Okay. Oh, wow, okay. It comes in a couple pieces. Oh, wow, this is big. Here, I'll hold the box. You pull it out.
Me use brute force?
No, don't use brute force. You might break it.
Brute force.
Oh, my gosh. Okay. There we go. It's coming. It's out. Woohoo. All right, let's put this box down. Oh, wait, there's something else that we need. Here. Sit down.
Okay.
Sit down.
You be humble, sit down.
Okay, let's go down there. Oh no, this is a pretty cool coffee maker.
Oh, look, a kazoo.
It's not a kazoo, Aiden.
Why?
Yeah, not a kazoo. Okay, let's see. Let's take this plastic wrapping off. That is dry.
What does that even mean?
What do you mean? What
That is dry.
It's dry.
Why would you say that?
Because it is. That's why I always say it.
What would people need to know that, though?
Yeah.
How about you cut it with brute force?
Okay. Ah!
Brute force wins again.
It doesn't win. It does what it needs to do. That doesn't mean it wins.
It beats weakness in the face.
What did you just say to me?
I didn't say that you're weak. I said it beats weakness, which is also you.
Okay. So I have no clue what this is. Never mind.
Keep it as a kazoo.
spout. It's a spout.
Yeah, you put it on top of here.
I
That's
do?
the spout, but
Okay.
we need to just...
Oh, and it goes in there like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, let's put the lid on.
That's the kazoo kid.
This is
Hey guys, shout out to you on kazoo. Go watch that YouTube video.
What is that?
You should watch it. We should watch that after this video. It's so creepy.
It's creepy.
Yeah, it's the creepiest thing on earth.
Oh gosh.
It's all about making friends and playing the kazoo. What I like to sing, dance, pretend, and kazoo.
Okay, so I'm trying to. Oh my gosh. So apparently this is where you put water and the ground coffee goes in here. The water gets sucked up through here and put through here, and it takes the coffee and it takes that coffee juice and puts it into this pot.
Who says coffee juice?
It's coffee. I say coffee juice.
Why don't I just
And
put
this-
this back on here?
Yeah.
Nope, I block it. You can't do that.
Okay.
Still
This
doesn't
is-
shock me.
So I didn't touch you. Apparently, yeah, this is the coffee maker. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Shout out to this guy. Subscribe
Everybody do the flop.
subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, we want that thumbs up to be blue, and I will see you guys next